Every car owner should have a reliable car diagnostic tool in their arsenal to troubleshoot any issues their vehicle may have. These tools provide you with data about the car's performance, so you can make sure it runs smoothly and diagnose any potential problems before they become bigger issues. In this post, we'll discuss what to look for in these products, review some of the top car diagnostic tools of 2023, and tell you how to use them. From the most basic handheld units to sophisticated multifunctional scanners, there is a variety available for all needs and budgets. Let's get started. Number 1. Foxwell Car Diagnostic Tool. The Foxwell Car Diagnostic Tool is a revolutionary tool that enables wireless diagnosis and testing capabilities for automotive technicians and DIY mechanics alike. This tool can automatically scan VINs and offers more than 30 reset functions, saving you on expensive labor costs. It is a top-level diagnostic scanner that provides bidirectional control, full system diagnostics, and powerful compatibility covering over 108 different brands of cars. Using the latest Android 9.0 system, this car diagnostic tool boasts an effective, simple-to-use touchscreen interface for your convenience. It also features one-click Wi-Fi updates, as well as a built-in browser with no IP restrictions for ease of use. Overall, this advanced scanner is our top choice because it covers all of your car's modules with powerful diagnostic functions, including full system scans and bidirectional controls. Number 2. MotoPower Car Diagnostic Tool. The MotoPower Car Diagnostic Tool is capable of connecting to cars from as far back as 1996 and can read both OBD2 and can domestic or import vehicles. This makes it useful for both home mechanics and professionals alike. Additionally, the scanner features a built-in OBD2 DTC lookup library and allows users to determine the cause of an engine light, read codes, erase codes, view freeze frames, and more. The car diagnostic tool features an LCD with a white backlight and contrast adjustment, meaning the data can easily be read in any lighting condition. It also comes with support for 6 languages: English, German, Dutch, Spanish, French, and Italian, so it's suitable for users from all around the world. Best of all, the OBD reader does not require any battery or charger as it draws power right from your vehicle through the OBD2 data link connector. Number 3. Ancel Car Diagnostic Tool. The Ancel Car Diagnostic Tool is one of the most comprehensive and reliable car diagnostic tools on the market. Sturdy and compact, it features a 2.5-foot cable made of flexible, high-quality insulation to keep it safe and secure. Its buttons are clearly labeled and its screen is large, providing excellent readability and accuracy when displaying results. This car diagnostic tool has extensive compatibility with 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and Asian cars, light trucks, and SUVs, as well as newer OBD2 and CAN vehicles both domestic and foreign. Further, it supports all OBD2 protocols such as KWP 2000, J1850 VPW, ISO 9141, J1850 PWM, and CAN. The tool can also quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, read live data and hard memory data, view freeze frames, IM monitor readiness, and collect vehicle information. Number 4. Launch Car Diagnostic Tool. The Launch Car Diagnostic Tool is an excellent addition to any home garage or professional mechanic's toolbox. With the ability to read and clear fault codes for all vehicle engine systems, it is an invaluable diagnostic tool. It's capable of working with vehicles as old as 1996, which makes it perfect for aspiring mechanics who want a reliable and capable tool for diagnosing problems with older cars. The scanner can easily check the status of emission-related monitors, misfire systems, and fuel systems, so you can quickly identify any issues before taking your car in for a test. The IM Readiness Status Test feature is especially useful when attempting to pass a smog check with ease. This car diagnostic tool also can turn off the check engine light if repairs have been made and clear any fault codes afterward. Number 5. Autel Car Diagnostic Tool. The Autel Car Diagnostic Tool reads and erases codes to help you detect potential problems with your vehicle and avoid unnecessary repair costs. This OBD2 scanner is compatible with a variety of post-1996 OBD2 protocol vehicles, supports 7 languages, and is very user-friendly with its patented one-click IM readiness key, TFT color display, built-in speaker, LED indicator, and long cable. This car diagnostic tool has a variety of helpful features. It can read DTCs and display live data, freeze frames, and IM readiness information to figure out the root cause of the check engine light and turn it off. As the cherry on top, no batteries are required and installation is both quick and easy.